How to unlock a seatbelt after an accident. There are different types of seatbelts and they will react differently in an accident. What do I mean? This particular seatbelt will lock in an accident, but then will release. This particular one will lock and not release. Both of these seatbelts will need to be replaced or repaired. Now the anchor pretensioner will also deploy. Some anchor pretensioners will go in an inch, some will go in 2 to 3 inches, and some will go in all the way fully. In these cases, the anchors will also need to be replaced or repaired. MyAirbags will repair all of your seatbelt pretensioners and buckles. We do it safely, affordably, and effectively. All of our technicians are trained, certified, and licensed. And we do it right here in the United States with all OEM parts.